To order prescription lenses, mouse-click the radio button alongside prescription lenses. Then using your mouse pointer, click the large red purchase button. To proceed, you will then see all your lens type options. There might be anything from 1 to 6 options depending on the data entered. For this tutorial, we will select the distance option. Once selected, click on the large blue proceed button. You are now presented with 3 columns of options. The first column shows the different lens indexes available. The second column shows the brands available within the selected lens index. The third column shows the lenses that are available within the selected index and brands. Our system checks your prescription against lenses in our database. This page will not show lenses that are not available with your chosen prescription. Use the blue proceed button when you're ready. After choosing your lens type, the lens tint page is loaded. There are 2 columns: lens tint types and available tints within the selected tint type. You can choose from a wide range of colors and densities, or select no optional extras. As you can see, hovering your mouse pointer over the color lists pops up a sample image. You can skip directly to the cart, or use the blue proceed button. The next upgrade option is ultraviolet protection. If your chosen lens has inherent UV protection, there will be no options shown here. And you can use the skip to cart or proceed button to proceed. The next and last optional upgrade selectable is lens anti-reflection or mirror coats. Mirror coats come in a number of colors and finishes. Again, hovering your mouse over the right-hand column, text pops up sample images. Use the large blue buttons to proceed or go back. You have now reached the Add to Cart page. It is advisable to take time to check your order for mistakes here. If all is correct, use the large red Add to Cart button. This is your cart. You can check out using the large red button, or to make further purchases, browse for further products using the left-hand navigation panel. Check out, enter your details. You must agree to the Budgetspex terms and conditions before your checkout can be completed. A link to the terms is situated at the top of this form. Please don't forget to select the destination country from the drop-down list. Ordering varifocals. Ordering varifocal lenses for registered customers is much the same as ordering single vision lenses, with just a few differences. Select the varifocal lenses radio button and proceed. You are now presented with 3 columns of options. The first column shows the different lens indexes available. The second column shows the brands available within the selected lens index. The third column shows the lenses that are available within the selected index and brands. Our system checks your prescription against lenses in our database. This page will not show lenses that are not available with your chosen prescription. Use the blue proceed button when you're ready. When adding a varifocal or bifocal to your cart, the page will show your complete order, including your full prescription, and a box to enter your fitting height. I hope you used the click and measure app to acquire the fitting height. There is a tutorial in the useful information area, located in the blue banner at the head of the page.